Hi there everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is my first brow tutorial, so I'm very excited. We're going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium brown and their 7B brow brush. We're going to start out by mapping out the bottom line of our brows. This is how I normally start out my brows since I like to give myself an idea of what I want. As you can see, I'm giving myself a dramatic curve from the very front. So I start dragging the product upwards so that there's no harsh line at the bottom. I then start to draw the top line of my brow according to my liking and drag the product downwards and blend with the spoolie.
We don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No eyes, misfits, no typos. Look, wait. We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Eyes first before the award show. Icon tatted on my torso. Me and boy dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso.
I then create my downwards arch and apply more product only to the outer half. I only apply to the outer half since I want a very obvious fade. Always remember to blend, because if you don't blend, it won't look good. I then grab my trusty concealer and start cleaning up the edges.
This is #1 champion sound, yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London town. Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Tell the promoter we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy.
I then grab my ABH Brow Powder Duo in medium brown, and I grab the lightest shade and apply it to the very front of my brow and drag upwards.
Like the way he's speaking, his confidence is peaking. Don't like his baggy jeans, but I like what's underneath him. And no, I ain't been to...
After that, I start doing some editing, like making sure that the curve at the very front is very obvious, since I want to make a very exaggerated type brow.
Boy, American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy, American boy. Take me to Broadway. Let's go shopping, maybe then we'll go to a cafe. Let's go on Subway. Take me to your hood. I've never been to Brooklyn and I'd like to see what's good.
in all minor details, I'm finally done. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if I didn't explain that much, but I mean, I'm really not sure how to explain how I do my brows. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and share this video with all your friends. Thank you. Goodbye.
I'm in the UK, everybody gonna say UK.